Welcome back to my channel on Bougainvillea Care. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe, like, comments and share this channel. I'll be sharing today about discarding the faded flowers. First of all, as you see in the pictures, these are some of my bougainvillea which blooms during the late September. Now as this blooms fades, we await for the next bloom. The present picture is showing the Hawaiian white, which is blooming the first week of October. This has been blooming for nearly a week, nearly for 4 weeks now. Now as we know that as bougainvillea is mainly a vine, but it can be controlled to be like a shrub or a tree. Most of my bougainvillea is a potted one, so it's all controlled like a shrub or a tree. Many questions have arisen from friends from different flower groups who have asked me how I can have my bougainvillea plant as they are. This is mainly due to the constant pinching. We know that pinching actually means removing the new tender growth at the end of a stem. Each time you pinch a stem, your plant will try to grow two new stems beneath the pinch or the cut, and this easy technique encourages fullness and also helps to keep the plant shapes in check. Now after this bougainvillea has been blooming for nearly 3 to 4 weeks. The main blooming period will be coming in the month of end of November to up to May the next year. So in the consequent video which I am showing, we will be showing you an actual pictures where we'll be discarding the faded flowers, semi-repotting the soil in the pot so as to have a renewed nutrient in the soil for the next bloom. Now this picture is the maximum bloom which was in the month of October end. In the beginning of November, the flowers on visual judgment, as you can see in the video, this is the first week of November, the flowers are faded. If we keep these flowers as they are in the plant, they don't have tendency to fall off on its own. And if they do have a tendency, it will take a long time for them, ultimately resulting in the new budding which will come up with the old faded flowers. So what we do is, to maintain the shape as well as to prompt the next bloom, we have to cut the faded flowers of this bougainvillea. This is the faded flowers which is showing. Now, instead of cutting the faded flowers due to the time constraint, we usually pluck it off by guarding the stems and pulling the faded flowers. Now when we pluck the faded flowers, sometimes the stems supporting these flowers doesn't come off along with the flowers. So those times we need to go ahead with the cutter, discarding those stems which support these flower petals. So this continues for every bougainvillea that blooms in my garden. The faded flowers are always discarded like this, and then when the next bloom comes, the same thing happens, is done to the flowers, the faded flowers, and then they continue to bloom throughout the blooming season. So when you have a collection of as many as that I have, then there's always blooms in the garden. Now we have to remove those small shoots which are inside the plant, which takes up most of the nutrients from the soil. Side by side when you discard the faded flowers, As you watch carefully in the next video, see, discard the small shoots which are within the plant. This usually takes up the nutrient. As well as we can remove the old leaves. Then with the massive flowering that it was during this month of October, the soil, much of the nutrient in the soil has been consumed by the bloom. So we remove the topsoil in the pot and do semi repotting. See, you can see a lot of roots on the top of the pot. This is due to the enormous growth and due to the massive bloom. Then you remove the soil and then put a new soil mix with the manure, with the cow manure, which we usually use it here. Sometimes, depending on the size of the plant and the age and their previous bloom, we not only semi-repot the plant, but at the same time, after some 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we tend to add some liquid fertilizer, liquid manure in the form of liquid. Suppose we put the cow manure with water and then give the watering in the liquid form. I hope that this plant will again bloom in the month of December. So this Hawaiian white is one particular variety which is always flowering in the garden, whether it be summer or winter. So this is a very good collection. You ought to have one. Now after the semi-repotting is done and all the faded flowers are discarded, we have them placed in the same place where it's been placed while blooming, and then within 2-3 weeks this
subscribe, like and comments if you like this channel.
When the new bloom comes, we'll maybe making a video of the same plant and showing it to you. Please subscribe, like, comments and share this group for bougainvillea care. Bye, see you in the next video.